Zero, suicide door, brand new bag. College girls, give it in my raps. Rockstar life, so much money, I'll make you laugh. Hey.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome. So today I'll be sorting out this 0 gauge OFC wire for my alternator. So this will be my big tree upgrade. I already put in the negative already. I'm gonna show you guys that part of it, but first I'm gonna show you how I sort out the ends on this wire. So this one end is gonna go to the alternator and this end is gonna go to the positive side of the battery. Okay, so my battery can be charged faster with more voltage. And I did a battery upgrade. I have the XS battery in my car right now. I'm going to show you that soon. So let's start. Okay, so first I'm going to measure here and see how far. So I guess I'm going to have to cut about here, right here. Okay, all right, good. All right. I know I'm not gonna cut myself. That's not gonna happen. And then I need to get myself one of these blades. I'm gonna come all the way around here. Okay, here we go. Let me see if this can fit inside here. Let me go for a cloth. These are extremely small. I don't want these to get in my hand, because this could be serious. All right. So I'm gonna twist this like this so I can get it to go in. Ah, perfect. All right. I think I'm gonna need to strip it some more so it can go down more. Yeah. I don't want wire by itself. You have to buy the kit, so you have to buy the big tree kit, and it's a bit more expensive. As you can see, there's a lot of small wires, more voltage, so I'm gonna put this on. Okay, first go spin this all the way up on it. Okay, so this is as far as it can go. Don't worry about the space. I guess it's alright. So alright, so I'm gonna put it at 0 gauge now. Just squeeze this here. So this is the 0 gauge. 0 gauge. Alright. Alright. right there. All right. Okay. So it's tight, but for me, that's not enough. So we're gonna adjust this one more. Get it a little bit smaller. Yep. I'm gonna hold it for a bit. So if you put it at 0 gauge and you don't feel comfortable with it, you can always adjust it. I'm gonna leave it to crimp a little bit. All right. All right, guys, I can tell you, this will never move. Trust and believe me. This will never move. Yep. All right, so this is my heat shrinking tool. Let it warm up. Put this all the way over here. Alright guys, so this part is gonna go on the alternator and this end is gonna go where the battery is. So I don't need to put another end like this here because I'm gonna measure the length and then my battery terminals I'm gonna cut here and I'm gonna insert it and tighten it, so I don't need another hem. All right. Yep. All right guys, so here we have the big tree installed. I wanted to show you guys how I install it, but it's a simple, straightforward. As you can see here, about this terminal of Amazon, I'm gonna leave the link in the description. Yeah, and that's a negative, so I damaged my negative terminal. That's a stock terminal with the sensor, so I had to order one, aftermarket one. So here at the back of the alternator, I had to take off this little piece of guard there on the intake for me to get some space. So I just attach my 0 gauge wire to the power side of the alternator, run it around that side, ensure it's not touching any hose for it to get hot or burn. So yep, that's about it. I have my fuse there, my 300 amp fuse, and I'm gonna do some further installation. So I'm gonna show you the end product of this, and yep. So right now I'm gonna my ground, so I detach my ground and I'm gonna clean the surface. I'm gonna clean the paint from the surface, and then I'm gonna get a spray and spray it over. So I want to be able to get good good ground, so that's why I did this. Yep. just a little part, that's the surface area, and that should be perfect. So my stock ground, I didn't remove it, I keep it, and then I had a 0 gauge wire from Scar that is connected to my negative side of my battery. You don't want to tighten this too much. So that completes my big tree upgrade, and trust me, my bass is kicking. Alright, so that's the completion of my big tree. So that's the positive, negative, another negative over here. That's this ground is connected to from the engine block to the chassis. Yep. And this is my capacitor. It's disconnected. I would have to recharge this capacitor before I connect back the power wire. And I'm gonna have to use this to charge my capacitor slowly. Then after I do the connection, and should be good. Yep, guys, remember, like, share, and subscribe. Alright. Settings. TPMS calibration. Calibrate. Alright, so after driving, then everything should reset after driving. Yeah, that should be about it.